Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will write an essay on World Children Day. So let's start. Good morning, Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my fellows. Today we are gathered here to celebrate World Children Day. Children Day is celebrated on 20th November each year. The children of today will be the adults of tomorrow. The wealth of any nation is not so much in its economical and natural resources, but it lies more decidedly in the kind and quantity of the wealth of its children. Their education and personality grooming will determine the kind of destiny that backbone the nation. It therefore becomes mandatory for every nation and society to nourish a strong and intellectual youth. The youth of a nation is its powerhouse. The children of any society have boundless store of energy, willpower, and zeal to mold the destiny. The youth has to be trained to use their talent, needs to give an appropriate direction and empowerment. Today's children will be tomorrow's lawyer, teacher, doctor, and leader. They will affect our next generation. A right kind of education and training is the first step towards the upliftment of the children. The education provided should be progressive and professional and skill-based. Social evils like child labor, drug addiction, child marriage, and child abuse should be checked strictly. These rampant evils, if remain unchecked, will jeopardize and endanger the future of any country. Let us promise to educate them and in turn give the world a better future. Thank you.